Good afternoon. I cut all my hair off. I didn't want it no more. It grows back. I wanted to just kind of like clean things up a little bit and see what we was looking like. I got a few little touch-ups I gotta do because I just done it quickly in the bathroom. I was like, I need my hair off of me. And so I got it off of me. Not having a breakdown. Actually having a pretty good week. I'm cleaning up for Tyler's family to come and hang out with us for like the Easter weekend. Looks like it's gonna rain this weekend, but it's alright. I won't have humid curly hair. So as fate would have it, my car, my Prius, I think it's dead because it's just pouring out brake fluid out of the back two tires, and it doesn't stop. So now we're down to one car, trying to figure out how to fix that. Just because I can't afford to buy another car now. Neither could Dexter, my dog. So it started pouring down rain outside. I feel bad for whomever had extravagant Easter plans. I've been dusting with a leaf blower inside. It worked really well. So Easter happened and it's already over, and I didn't record anything about it. There's light here. Easter's over. Bye. Put ourselves back in the old Nissan Altima. Still runs. Oh yeah, baby. That's 312,401 miles is what's on this car. The Prius has no brakes, and the guy I bought it from is a complete fucking jerk and doesn't want to help. So yeah, this is my journey of trying to get the Prius fixed and the Altima better. It needs a tire. What do I say? Always some shit. There we go. Always some shit going down. Yeah, I'm bald now. Not really bald, but actually some cereal. Golly jeez. I'm doing lots of yard work. Been working a lot. Didn't record the yard work because I really need to get it done quickly. Yeah, next order of action is going to be working on that there Prius outside. That's all broken. Wish me luck. Easter's over. I cut my hair. My car broke down. Those things are what's new with me. What's new with you? Leave it in the comments below.